Hey, coffee lovers! Today, we're unveiling the top Nespresso machines of 2023. From exquisite design to unparalleled convenience, these picks are set to revolutionize your coffee routine. Let's dive in. Securing the noteworthy third position on our list is none other than the Nespresso Essenza Mini, a powerhouse that packs innovation and convenience into its compact frame. This diminutive dynamo proves that great things do come in small packages. Designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen or office setup, the Essenza Mini doesn't hold back when it comes to delivering a remarkable coffee experience. Boasting an array of features including a fast heat-up time, 2 programmable cup sizes, and a 19-bar pressure pump, this machine ensures that every espresso shot you brew is nothing short of perfection. Its minimalist design is sleek and modern, making it an aesthetic delight while saving precious counter space. The Essenza Mini doesn't just stop at its remarkable coffee capabilities, it's also eco-conscious with its low energy consumption and automatic power-off feature. If you're seeking an espresso machine that combines style, efficiency, and superb coffee, the Nespresso Essenza Mini deserves its spot as the third best Nespresso machine of 2023. Landing solidly in the second spot on our list is the Nespresso Vertuo Next, a true testament to modern coffee technology. If you're someone who believes that variety is the spice of life, then this machine is your perfect match. The Vertuo Next introduces a revolutionary brewing system that's capable of crafting not only the classic espresso but also a range of larger coffee sizes. Its centrifusion technology spins the capsule at high speeds, blending ground coffee with water to produce a cup that's rich, aromatic, and utterly satisfying. With an impressive selection of capsule options that cater to various tastes and preferences, this machine transforms your coffee routine into an adventure. The Vertuo Next's connectivity features elevate the experience further, allowing you to brew with a single touch through the Nespresso app. Sleek, modern, and versatile, the Nespresso Vertuo Next secures its place as the second best Nespresso machine of 2023, giving you a passport to explore the world of coffee flavors from the comfort of your kitchen. Topping our list as the #1 best Nespresso machine of 2023 is the extraordinary Nespresso Gran Lattissima. Prepare to be amazed by the ultimate coffee experience that this machine effortlessly delivers. If you're a true coffee aficionado who craves both the convenience of a one-touch system and the indulgence of specialty coffee creations, the Gran Lattissima is your dream come true. This masterful machine combines the art of espresso making with the finesse of milk frothing, allowing you to craft an array of beverages with barista-like precision. Its intuitive touchscreen interface makes customization a breeze, letting you adjust coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature to match your exact preferences. The integrated milk frother creates velvety foam for lattes and cappuccinos, while the efficient brewing system consistently produces coffee of the highest caliber. The Gran Lattissima doesn't just excel in performance. Its elegant design and premium build quality are a testament to Nespresso's commitment to both form and function. Elevate your mornings with the Nespresso Gran Lattissima, the unrivaled champion of Nespresso machines in 2023, where luxury and innovation converge to redefine your coffee journey. And there you have it, folks. Our rundown of the best Nespresso machines in 2023 concludes. All machines will be in the description below. Whether you're craving the compact brilliance of the Essenza Mini, the versatility of the Vertuo Next, or the luxury of the Gran Lattissima, these machines are changing the coffee game.